How to delete activity log on Facebook. In order to do that, click right here to the three lines. Click on your settings or your icon. And then from in there, click right here. And then you can search right here for activity log. So just scroll down until you can see it right here. However, if you can find it, you can just click on the search option. And then they actually show right here on the most frequently searched settings. But if ever they're not showing, you can just search for them. Click on this activity log option, and then you can see in here everything on your activity log, like activity or Facebook activity, as well as personal information and a lot more. So just expand your Facebook activity, and then for example, let's go and do this one by one. We have in here this comments and reaction. So if you want to delete it, you can head over and then just click on the three dots, click on delete right here. So you can also click on the three dots and then click on this delete as well. So just continue doing that one by one until you actually empty out everything on your activity log. So that's how you delete activity log on Facebook. Hope we help.